Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm just going to take you around really quick. I'm going to do a whole house clean with me today. And this is my room at the moment. And the bathroom is not too bad. I did just recently buy this. I think it's called the 3-barrel curling iron. And I tried it this morning and I don't know if I like it or not. We'll see at the end of the day how my hair turns out, but that is what I have to do in this room. And let me take you guys over to the kids' bedrooms. All right, and here is one bedroom. I have to do a lot in here. It doesn't look like it, but I do have to clean up, wipe down, change sheets. And now let's go across to my son's room, see what I have to do in here. Also change some sheets. Yep. So we're gonna go ahead and get started because it is already 11:20 and I have to go pick him up. Today is Sunday. I have to pick him up from his dad. So let's go ahead and get into this cleaning. Okay, so we're starting off in my bedroom. I didn't have a lot to do. Everything was pretty much picked up. I had made my bed earlier that morning because I got up super early, went to the grocery store. The only thing that took me forever was the kids' bedrooms. Those rooms were very messy. They needed sheets to be changed, stuff wiped down. It had not been done in a while, but that's what took up most of my time. But I got it all done and I was able to leave on time to go pick up my son.
I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while. In the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me and I'll make it worth your while. Make it worth your while.
Okay, I don't have any pillowcases. I'm assuming that they are in his dirty clothes right there. Yeah, so these are going to be on the bed without pillow covers. The reason is my parents were here last weekend and this was the sheet set that was on there, but they don't like my son's pillows, which I don't know why, because these are very like foamy. I don't know. But their stuff is, let me see if I can show you. Their stuff is in here. That's their pillows, like my dad's pillows, and I think that's theirs also. That's not ours. I have to clean up in here, but for now, these will not have any pillow covers. Typically, my son washes his clothes, but for the sake of this video, I'm going to go ahead and wash those so I can have the pillowcases. And also because tomorrow is school, today's Sunday, and by the time I pick up my son and we get back home, it'll be about 7. So I don't want him to wash his clothes that late. I want it to be done. That way he's ready for school Monday and he has all his clothes. But these will be without pillow covers for a while. So I'm going to go ahead and work on this closet and then I'll go ahead and take all these clothes into the wash, which you'll get a little sneak peek of the laundry room. I don't want to show you guys the laundry room just yet, but because I'm not completely done, but I guess a little sneak peek won't hurt. So let me get back to the cleaning.
Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
And here is a sneak peek of the laundry room. I just love the colors, the gray, the white, the pink. I cannot wait to show you guys the whole entire room once it's completely done.
Be a little wilder, baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. I don't know what I could say to convince you to hang around when you don't have to. There's so much that I'm still keeping to myself, 'cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting.
Okay, so this room is done, but I can't make this bed because my husband took the fitted sheet on his trip. So my son's bed is made, but he has no pillowcases. Here, I have no fitted sheet. Oh, I do have the pillowcases, so I'll go ahead and put those on. But other than that, this room is done. And then this is going to go into the wash. Those balloons are trash. This bag here goes down to my car. This is what I use if I go to like Aldi, because you know Aldi doesn't have any bags. So, but like I said, my son's room is all done in there. So I just need to pick this up and just throw it into the laundry room, and then I can go and clean up the living area, the dining, and the kitchen, and then the whole house will be done.
You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context. Not really sure.
This carpet took me forever to clean. The dog hair was real today. I had to change the mode on the vacuum a few times just to get a different suction because her hairs were embedded. Here I am putting up the not the groceries, but I ended up buying a new laundry basket, and then I had my LaCroix still out. I had put everything up that needed to be refrigerated, but the soaps and my drinks and things like that were still laying on the table, so I went ahead and put those up. I didn't have very much to do out here. I did vacuum all around, and then I went ahead and worked in the kitchen, and that was done. That was it for me, you guys. I got the house nice and clean, and everything was done on time, and I had extra time to go ahead and work on some edits and work on other things. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up, and if you are new here, do not forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
From what the future had in store.